larger party.
Katem keput ke Rwai ke Siaw ke syat ke mesti hari ke election hapo jelam Meghalaya kelanang kam shongshit hadian bakal air election kelanang klut syu bat Ryngkat bat kiseng san hima sima ke office stray kam jong CEO kelas dang da keput ketem bat ke jing Rwai kom ke jing Rwai I vote for sure bat ke my vote for my Valentine ban kentu ya ki pat ba ban yishim benta shit hem haga menlet tap vote ki jing Rwai election na ke benta kanu ke seng san hima sima bat ki kertong kile ya ke benta ke bakong santam hakani ke jela ke ba ye jing Rwai jing Siaw bat nakani ke daw ke office jong CEO ke la IT haki duhalia lane ki kenhun tem ban kentiu ya ke mensiem le tap vote lingba ke Rwai ke Siaw ki badan ru e ke jing Rwai kom ka I vote for sure habe kran bat ke di news CEO uba FR Kharkongor ulong ba ke Rwai ke Siaw bat ke tem ke put ke dai ke sap kerpang jong ki brieu lani ke jela bat kumta ke office jong u ke lapendon kam ya ke Rwai ke Siaw bat ke tem ke put ha ke rukom ke ba shongshit ban kentiu ya ke jing shim bentalang jong ki pat ba ha ke ni ke election ula pentep ru banalor ke Rwai ke Siaw bat ke put ke tem ke office jong uru ke lapenmi ya ke program my vote my Valentine kani kadai shibenta na ka jing tumu ban penslur bat penbon ya ki jingwan ni shimbenta jong ki pat ba ha barok ki lais pa tali ki jaka tap vote ki bakham duna e ka jingwan ni shimbenta jong ki pat nong tap vote.
Just before NVD also we had a forum where we engage the participation of many musicians to promote voting through music. As you see in the campaigns that are going on right now, also music plays a very dominant role. So in the same way from the Election Commission, also from the Office of Chief Electoral Officer, we are actively engaging the musical bands and the musical groups. In fact, next week we have a program called My Vote, My Valentine. It's part of the Mission 300.
Ngot ki kertong ki bayak hun na jawai